Hello students of class 5. Hope all of you are keeping safe and fine. This is Musna madam and today I am going to teach you moral science. We'll start with the second lesson today, that is the power of positive thinking. The first lesson of your book is a small hymn which you have to learn by heart as you will be asked to write it in exam. So we will discuss about that in my next video along with the question and answers of lesson 2. Okay, then let's start. Children, you sit with your books, take out page number 7 and follow my teaching. Your topic is the power of positive thinking. What is positive thinking? Let us first discuss about it. Positive thinking is the process of creating thoughts that create and transform energy into reality. A positive mind always waits for happiness, health and a happy ending in any kind of situation. And this positive thinking is very important for us because it is very beneficial, very useful, or you can say essential for our mental health as it drives away all the negative thoughts. Those who think positively feel happier and they are most successful and are contented with their lives. So let us see the book now. Kingsley has said, "The men whom I have seen succeed best in life have always been cheerful and hopeful men, who went about their business with a smile on their faces and took the changes and chances of this normal life like men facing rough and smooth alike as it came." What Kingsley wants us to understand is that mostly the men who held on to their hopes and never gave up were successful. They faced the challenges of life with a smile on their face. They accepted all the changes that took place in life bravely and cheerfully. And the journey of life is not always smooth and easy. There would be rough phases throughout. The men who considered this as normal human life, dealing with the rough as well as the smooth phase alike, succeeded best in life. In order to achieve a happy, satisfying and worthwhile life, it is necessary to see the bright side of things in life. But the question is, how do we see the bright side of things? Because most of the time, the bad days affect the human minds overpoweringly, isn't it? Here comes the power of positive thinking again. Positive thinking increases our courage and raises our hope. It helps us to deal with the tough times of life, whereas negative thinking leads to loss of courage and hope. It discourages us, makes us dull, and we lose the ability to see the good. Positive thinking gives us the strength to believe that there is always an end to the difficult or unpleasant situation that you are in. After all, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Now see the book. It is very important to see the bright side of things in life. The power of positive thinking should be developed because negative thinking leads to loss of courage and hope. If a glass is half full of water, some people will say that it is half empty and some will say that it is half full. The latter are the people who are positive thinkers. The example given in your book is often of a glass of water. Now we will see how positive and negative thinkers see things differently. If a glass is half full of water, the negative thinkers or the pessimists will say that it is half empty. They will talk about the missing water. They will say how the glass of water would have been full if the glass was not half empty. These people tend to focus on the bad. In the contrary, the positive thinkers or the optimists will say that the glass is half full. These people emphasize more on good and the available opportunities. They can see that the half full glass of water can be used for various purposes. The optimists tend to find reasons to see the bright side of things in life. Now see the book. There is one story is given here. There was a large manufacturing company that suffered huge losses. The sales manager of the company called upon the sales representatives of the company for a conference. The conference was very short and simple. The sales manager tacked a large piece of white paper on the display board. At the center of the paper, he made a black dot. The sales manager asked them one by one, "What do you see on the paper which has been displayed on the board?" Everyone replied, "A black dot." The manager repeated his question. "Try to find out, is there anything besides the black dot you see on the paper in front of you?" Everybody answered together, "No, there is nothing except the black dot." The manager said, "This is strange. That is why you don't succeed in your efforts. You see only the black dot, whereas you should see the white space that surrounds the black dot. We must always look for the positive side of the things. Now I would like all of you to go back to your territories and look for opportunities instead of difficulties. And I'm sure if you follow what I have told, our company's sales will go up." Similarly, we should also try to be optimistic in life. In this story, the manager explains to the representatives to broaden their perspectives and try and see beyond the black dot. If only they try to see beyond the black dot, they will see a whole sheet of white space. This white space represents the other good things in life. But most of the time, all we do is focus on the tiny black dot, which is the negative things in life. Life is a roller coaster ride with lots of ups and downs. The positivity lies in handling the ups as well as the downs with courage. The thoughts and this type of thoughts um, will help us to lead our life successfully. Now see the thought of the day. Cultivate a positive, expectant attitude. Empty your mind of disbelief and you will allow room for true faith. This thought of the day teaches to have faith, no matter how bad the time is. It will pass and things will be alright once again. All we need to do is develop positive thinking and expect that goodness will prevail. Life gives us so many good and beautiful moments that some bad days can never win over it. Firm belief in positivity is essential to survive all the unpleasant and difficult times of our lives. Children, I will give you one live example. Okay, now that is the current situation the our entire world is facing. As all of you know, we all are fighting against the dreaded virus that is corona, or you can say COVID-19 to be exact. Till now, there has been no vaccine or medicine. Have you ever wondered how are we fighting it? Yes, it is about positive thinking and all the precautions which is helping us to fight back. You must have noticed that many people are getting affected and some people have also been recovered. We all have a faith that one day we will succeed in driving away this virus from the earth, and we are waiting positively for that moment, maintaining all sorts of hygienic ways and following the social distancing. We are fighting against the dreaded virus. We are holding on to our hopes, and this hope is our positive thinking. So, the lesson teaches you never to give up hope and never to have discouraging thoughts. You should always see the bright side of the life, make constant efforts to achieve your goals. Students who are weak in studies should never lose hope or get discouraged. Instead, you try to overcome your weaknesses. If you have any other skills, try to improve those skills. So, be always positive in your thinking, because if one thinks that a job is easy, the job becomes easy. If one thinks it is not easy, then it becomes completely impossible. Okay, children, be positive always, because positive thinking leads to success in every sphere of life. Okay, I hope all of you have understood what the topic, the moral of the topic wants to teach you. So, we have finished the lesson. Wait for my next video. Take care. Bye, children.